This lesson is about how to find an angle that's formed by two chords in a circle. So the formula says that if two chords intersect inside a circle, the angle that is formed by the chord is equal to half of the sum of the two arcs. So you'd add up the two arcs, AB and CD, take half of it, and that would equal angle 1. Let's try a few examples. My formula says that angle 1 is equal to 1/2 the two arcs added together. So now, since this arc, 130 and 95 are the arcs that are intercepted by the chords opposite angle 1, that's what I do. So what is 130 plus 95? Well, if you get your calculator out, you get 225. So angle 1 is equal to 1/2 of 225. What is half of 225? Well, 2 goes into 2 once, goes into that 2 once, goes into 5, 2.5 times. So angle 1 is equal to 112.5. Notice that on this one, angle 1 is not opposite the arcs that we have. So we actually have to find this arc and then use our linear pair concept to find angle 1. So I'm really not going to find angle 1 first. I'm going to find angle 2 first. So angle 2 is equal to 1/2 of 122 plus 32. Well, what is 122 plus 32? Well, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 1. So it's half of 154, or 154 divided by 2. Well, 2 goes into 15 7 times, with 1 left over, and it goes into 14 7 times. So angle 2 is 77, but they asked for angle 1. So I then have to take it away from 180, and I get 103. So angle 1 is 103. Now this one you're going to use it's a little bit different because they're asking you for the arc and you have the angle and the other arc. So we're going to use a little algebra. We're still going to set it up the same way. We're going to say 126, which is our angle, is equal to 1/2 of 108 plus what I don't know. So I'm going to call it x. Well, it's easier sometimes to get rid of this fraction than to distribute it through. So if I multiply both sides by 2, then it cancels that, and I'm just left on this side with 108 plus x. And on this side, I need to double 126. 2 times 6 is 12, with 1 left over. 12 times 2 is 24, so that's 252. And then to get x, I need to subtract 108 from both sides. And if I borrow there and add it to that, I get 144. So arc TS is 144. And that's the lesson on angles formed by two chords in a circle.